You guys, I, today I have a very special food review for you guys, and for two reasons. One, right now I'm at my brother Andrew and his sister-in-law's sister and his wife Gabby's new house up in Cold Springs. Things. And the other second reason is that I have not one, not two, not three, but four different snacks to review for you guys. One of which I tried earlier, but and still want to try it again. So good. Okay, and the and the and and the best part is they're all from Brazil, where my sister in law Gabby is from. Yeah, so let's not waste any time. Start with this one, the one I tried already. Dulce Dulce leche. Right? Right? See? Mm. So sweet. Mm. So good. It- It's like a much sweeter caramel. So good. Next, I have these right here. My sister, my sister Gabby said, sister-in-law Gabby said that it's like they're like jawbreakers. So these are also like, and Gabby said they're like coconut, but these look more chewy than hard. Mm. Mm. Yeah, it definitely tastes the coconut. Mm. Mhm. Mhm. Oh, then again, waiting on the dulce leche. On the dulce leche, I give it a perfect 10 out of 10. And this stuff here, I give it a 9 out of 10. So if it's eating this. Next, I have two of the same snacks. Only they're like different flavors. They're from Rio, de Janeiro, and Brazil. My my sister-in-law Gabby said this one is a salty one, and this one is this one is the sweet one. So I'm gonna try the salty one first. Okay. A little puff. Mm. Mm. Very airy, almost like a Cheeto. very so. Rio de Janeiro, yes. Okay. It has, it's very it's very airy. Not solely like that. Yeah. They're like puffier versions. They're kind of like puffier versions of the Funyuns. They don't taste like Funyuns, but it's good. It has zero trans fat. That's good. So like I give that one like a it's like another 8 out of 10. All right, it probably 8.5 maybe. Eight, eight here. And now we're going for the sweet ones. These ones are basically the same. Right. Very airy, very relaxed, man. There's a bit of sweetness. I mean, not as good as the other one. It's not as good as this one, but still not that bad. I give it like a 7.9. Yeah, so give us like a 7 point or maybe 7.8. So again, this is a 8 point. Change this to an 8.2. 7.9. This is a perfect 10, and this is a this is a this is a 9. So yeah, those are the snacks that my brother and wife got. His wife got for me. Yeah, so yeah. So a big thanks to my brother and his wife for getting me those snacks, and thank you guys for watching. Again, okay, so yeah, so make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below, share the video around, and most importantly, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the little bell icon so you guys don't miss my next video whenever it goes up. And make sure you go to settings on your phone for YouTube and switch on notifications. Anyway, thank you again, thank you so much for thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day. Bye bye.